Hi students, welcome to this video lecture. Understanding about the shortcut keys with combination of Alt button. By using one problem from question bank, we solve that problem and we practice that shortcut keys. How to equip with them for make very convenient to use the software. Okay, I am opening PPT. So, the usage of shortcut keys are make us software very convenient and easy, time consuming. Time is also become very less time, within less time. Simple to understand. To create a ledger account, we have to go to Gateway of Tally, accounts info, ledger, create. But whenever we are passing the voucher, simply by pressing Alt C, we can create the ledger account which is required for that voucher. That already we practiced that shortcut key in earlier lectures. In each and every lecture, we are practicing that Alt. We practiced that Alt C only. And last 2-3 lectures, without creating the ledger accounts, directly we move to voucher entry, and from the voucher entry only we are creating all ledgers. So what are the function keys or shortcut keys which we are going to understand in this lecture are Alt plus F7 to select the stock journal voucher type, direct voucher type, and to accept the audit lists. Alt plus F8 to select the delivery note voucher type, and Alt plus F9 to select the receipt note voucher type. Alt plus F10 physical stock voucher. Alt plus F12 is filter the information based on monetary value. Suppose I need vouchers more than 10,000, then I can press Alt F2 in that day book and I can invoke the vouchers which are greater than 10,000. Control plus Alt plus F2 is advanced configuration. In configuration F12 only we can find advanced configuration, and sometimes this may not work. Control plus Alt plus F2 based on the version which we are using. We are using education version, that's why some of the functions we cannot get. Okay, look at the problem in question bank 22nd and 23, and we solve this later. We will understand the shortcut keys. So all the videos which we are coming with the practical problems, there are 9 steps are there. That all 9 steps we practiced in each video according to the problem or the question which was given. Sometimes we are missing from 4 to 7. But work, creation of company, creation of ledger accounts, voucher entry are the compulsory for each and every problem. And now we are going to create one company. We will open Tally. We keep PPT as well as Tally side by side. Education version. So this from this slide we will create all the ledgers as well as we will make these transactions. So Alt plus F3, creation of company. Anil, here Anil brought cash is there, so we this process we know very well because many companies, each and everyone we are creating the videos, creating companies, everything we know very well. Okay, create. Company is created. Immediately go to accounts info, ledgers, multiple ledgers, all items, furniture. You see here, because instead of all items, select fixed assets. Under fixed assets, amount is furniture amount is 20,000. Machinery, 1 lakh. Buildings, under right. Under fixed assets, only 3 are there. We will save that one. Okay, na? What is the shortcut key for save? Control A. Again, create all items. Cash we have to enter with the alter mode. Capital under capital accounts. Amount 3 lakhs. Bills payable. Under current liability, 60,000. Trade debtors, under sundry debtors, that's all. Okay, opening information we entered through ledger, and whatever the transactions are there, the transactions we use the Alt C button. Save. Instead of save, we can press Control A. Now directly we will move to voucher entry, accounting vouchers. So Anil brought cash towards capital, that is a receipt voucher. You have 6 to capital, amount is 75,000, that is cash. Narration. Deposited into bank, contra, F4, to cash, amount 60,000. And by bank, we don't have bank account, that's why we have to press Alt C. Bank, under bank accounts, so amount deposited into bank. Next, purchased goods, F9 purchases. Alt F7 as a voucher na Control V I think. Control 201. Purchase account data to cash account. Purchases amount is 9,000. There is no purchase account. That's why we have to create purchases. Under purchases, we don't have the item wise amounts. You know, that's why we have to press enter. Goods purchased for cash. Next to sales, F8, again Control V, or we can press here 101, cash account data, amount is 21,000, sales, yes, so we are unable to get the list of ledger accounts because we were not created. So on screen immediately we want to create, then Alt C, press Alt C. SALES under sales accounts. Right, no items are there. Goods sold for cash. Pay to Ganesh, supplier, okay? Ganesh account, payment voucher FI. To cash, amount paid 15,000. It's wrong, I think. Ganesh to cash, na? Alt C. Ganesh. Sundry debtor, creditor. Ganesh amount to cash. Next received from Hari, F6 received voucher. From Hari, Alt C. Sundry debtor. Amount received is 18,000. It is in the form of cash. Cash. So cash received from Hari. Narration. Okay, this is the way of how we solve the problem. Next to reports generation. Okay, reports are display, trial balance, see that, Alt F1, press F4, I want only fixed assets group, then it will only fixed assets. It will display what are the, and Alt F1, it will show any items are mentioned in that. F5, press F5, F5, ledger wise, vouchers, okay, F10 account reports. I need profit and loss account, here it is. It will be open for Alt F1. Okay. So this profit and loss account. Control Q to go back. Then balance sheet, Alt F1. One thing we forgot to enter opening balance of cash. Remember, opening balance of cash is 10,000. That we will enter now. Control Q for go back. Accounts info. HS, alter, cash. Amount, opening amount 10,000. Okay. So balance sheet visa, display of cash flow, funds flow. Also we can see this. First see the funds flow, see the graph. The funds are opening balance of amount is 80,000, closing is 7,000, total funds flow is 87,000. Cash flow, only cash related will be shown. Cash received inflow is 114, outflow is 24, and the balance is 90,000. Okay, that is cash flow. Trial balance, day book. Day book, we can see the day book. This is day book. Now we will go to shortcut keys. So one is Alt plus F7. Alt plus F7 to select the stock journal voucher type and to access audit. First voucher, accounting vouchers. Alt F7. You see this stock journal voucher, immediately we got this one. Source and destination. Okay. Then again Alt F8. Sometimes it may not work because of software which we are using, education version. Then Alt F9. Control Q. Alt F9. It's not working here. Alt F10. Physical stock voucher. Alt F12. We'll open this one. Okay. Alt F10. Back. Gateway of tally. Alt F12. Open any report. Display. Day book. Alt F12. Right. Voucher. Billed by name, cost, date, quantity. We can filter this one. Okay. Buyer name equal to Hari. End of the list. Just open Alt F12 voucher and type list of vouchers are there. Then we can make only filter or execute only the vouchers which are required for us. And that these are the shortcut keys which we are easily we can understand that one. Okay, see this configuration also there. Configuration is gateway of tally, control alt F12. It may not work, it will show other one because it is not giving advanced configuration. To get the advanced configuration, this is wrong actually. Okay, go press F12. Here we are having advanced configuration. This is advanced configuration. So whatever the shortcut which we told is not, we are unable to execute because the software which we are using is education version. So it may be licensed version, we may get that one. Escape. Inventory vouchers. Here shortcut keys are there. Stock journal, physical stock journal, stock journal, stock queries. We are not dealing with the stock items in this problem. That's why it is not showing any items here. Okay, control key is to go back. Control key. Display, trial balance, alt F1 for detailed. Okay, here what are the buttons which are available in this window? Every window we can see the right side of the buttons. What are available? Those are available. Okay, inventory reports, account reports, account reports. Which account reports is needed? Cash flow. Enter. Right. Configuration range from which date to lecture. Name. Filtering, that is. Okay. Then what you will do is you will practice all the procedures which I explained in the video by keeping or noting down in a notebook. Later, keep your information with you and practice in either laptop or desktop. Open the tally and note down the problem as well as a solution method. Practice that one. If any doubts are there, you can SMS, you can call and clarify the doubts, whatever it may be. So, question bank is also available in Osmania University website. You have to download that question paper, or you can, if you ask me, I will also send the question bank. All the question bank problems you can practice to understand the tally in better manner. Before that, last 4 or 5 videos are there. These 5 videos are about shortcut keys. Each video, you please note down the shortcut keys. From each video, note down the shortcut keys and practice the problems with shortcut keys. Then our work will be simple and we can consume the time, save the time. That will help us in a better manner. Okay, students. So, please subscribe to our channel. Then you will get updates and refer the videos to your friends for a better understanding of them. Okay, students, any doubts you can message in group, in our college group, or directly message to my number also. If any doubts while you are practicing. Okay, students, bye. All the best.